Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot 143. You are watching Microsoft Office Word 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to format the shapes inserted in the Word documents. In my previous tutorial, we have seen some options to format the shapes. If you want to see this tutorial, please click the link showing in this video's description. After this, select the object and come to Format tab in the ribbon. We can also open Format option by right-clicking on the object. From the drop-down menu, please select to Format Auto Shape. From here, we can format the shapes in our document. Come to Format menu in Drawing Tools. After Shadow Effects, we have 3D Effects, which helps to give them 3D appearance. By using this, we can view the object from different angles. Click the down arrow next to 3D Effects. Here we will get various options. Over the cursor on each option to preview the 3D effect. Select a suitable effect. And we can also modify the 3D color. Again, come to 3D effects, navigate to 3D color, select a color from theme and standard colors. You can check the preview by simply placing the cursor over colors here. And if you want, you can select a color from more 3D colors. Come to standard or custom tabs, select a color preference. Okay. Again, come to 3D effects. Here we have the option to increase the depth. Choose a depth from given points. Similarly, we can modify the direction. Come to direction. Again, hover the cursor on each option and check the preview. Select a suitable option. Sometimes we need to apply the lighting to our shapes. For that, again come to 3D effects, navigate to lighting, hover the cursor on each option and check the preview. And we can also select to bright, normal and dim options. After this, if you want to modify the surface, again come to 3D effects, navigate to surface. Here we can select to material, plastic, metal and wireframe options. And if you want to tilt the 3D shape, simply click on tilt left, and to tilt to right, click on tilt right, tilt up, tilt down. And after this, please come to arrange group. In this, click the down arrow next to position, and we can position the shape with the text wrapping in the document. And in your document, suppose if one shape overlaps another, we may need to change the ordering so that correct shape appears in the document. Here we have different shapes. Notice that we can place some of the shapes over another. And here some shapes like star and heart symbol, we cannot place these shapes on sun because in Word it will allow us to place the objects one over another depending on the order of the creation. So to fine tune the ordering, we can use bring to front and send to back options. Come to bring to front. Here please click on bring to front. Then it will place the shape over all the shapes. And if you want to bring to front step by step, we need to click on bring forward option. And we can also bring the shape in front of the text by clicking on bring in front of the text option. Again, to send this shape to back, you can click on send backward to send it step by step. Otherwise, we can click on send to back to place the shape behind all the shapes in our document. And after this, we have text wrapping option, which helps to change the way text wraps around the selected object. Let's create some text. Now select the object, come to format, click the arrow next to text wrapping. Here you will get various options. We can select to inline with the text, square, right, behind text, in front of the text, and so many options. Next we have align, which is useful to align the edges of multiple selected objects. Here I want to select two objects, wedge shape and star. And to align them, come to align. Here we can select to align left, align center, align right, align top, align middle, align bottom, and so on. And if you have multiple objects in the document, and to move them, we can select and drag the shapes. But notice that we can drag shapes one after another. But to move the shapes at a time, we need to group these shapes. For that, please click on each shape by pressing Ctrl. After that, come to group option. Here, please click on group. Now all the shapes converted as one object. To move them, simply click and drag so that we will move all the objects at a time. Again, to separate the shapes, come to group. Please click on ungroup option. Then the object splitted into multiple shapes. And sometimes we need to rotate or uplift the selected object. For that, please come to rotate option. Here we can select to rotate right 90 degrees, rotate left 90 degrees, flip vertical, flip horizontal. And if you want to rotate a shape other than 90 degrees, come to more rotation options. In this, please come to rotation. In size tab, by using up and down arrow keys, we can select a suitable angle. Otherwise, simply enter the angle and click on OK so that the shape rotates to that angle. And finally, come to size. Here we can change the height or width of a shape. To increase the height, simply click on up and down arrow keys. Otherwise, directly we can enter the value. Similarly, width. Like this, we can format the shapes inserted in Microsoft Office Word 2007 documents. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.